Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can adjust time in NBA Live Mobile. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in NBA Live Mobile on my phone and this is how the homepage looks like. As you can see guys, we have here Live Pass, Live Today, PvP, Limited Time Events, Showdown and Last Day Campaign. And here in the top right corner, you're gonna find settings. If you click on settings, you're gonna find uh, that there is not an option that says adjust time. So in order to adjust time in this game, you need to change it from your phone settings. So right now, we're gonna quit NBA Live Mobile and go to the phone settings. If you have an Android, you can go from here to settings or from the notification bar from here. And once you're here in the settings, you need to scroll down until you find the additional options or general management like this. Click on it. And then from here, you can change the language, text to speech, voice input, and so on. Go ahead and click on date and time. And if it's automatic, make sure to turn it off. And then you can go to time. For example, now it's 8 p.m. I'm going to switch, for example, to 7 p.m. and then click on done and quit the settings. Once you quit the settings, go back and start NBA Live Mobile like this. And once you start it, the time is going to be changed. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.